Good morning, student.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Before start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. I will check your attendance list. Arga,
Hadir.
Rian,
Hadir.
Lalong.
Hadir.
Oke, apakah ada temanmu yang tidak hadir?
Tidak ada.
Oke, thank you. Apakah kamu pernah membuat makanan atau minuman di rumahmu?
Pernah.
Apakah kamu senang minum kopi?
Iya.
Bagaimana cara membuat secangkir kopi?
Bahan-bahan: ketel, air, cangkir dan sendok, bubuk kopi, dan gula. Langkah-langkah: pertama, isi ketel listrik dengan air, kemudian hidupkan ketelnya. Selagi airnya dimasak, ambil cangkir dan isi dengan gula secukupnya dan juga isi dengan kopi secukupnya. Lalu tunggu sampai airnya mendidih. Kemudian masukkan air panas yang baru dimasak dan isi sampai penuh. Kemudian aduk kopinya dan siap untuk disajikan.
Oke, thank you student. Ibu akan I will play a video for you. Please watching carefully and write their information on your notebook.
How to Make a Cup of Tea by Frank McHale. To make your cup of tea, you will need the following materials and ingredients. These include a kettle, a cup and spoon, some water, a tea bag, some milk, and some sugar. Step 1. Fill the kettle. Now switch the kettle on. Step 2. Place a tea bag in the cup. And wait for the kettle to boil. Step 3. Once the kettle's boiled, add the water to the cup. And leave to brew. Step 4. Remove the tea bag. And add milk. Step 5. If required, add sugar. And stir. And finally, step 6. Taste.
Cheers.
Finish.
Apakah videonya rame?
Yay.
From this video, can you get information?
Yes.
How?
This video tell about how to make a cup of tea. Materials or ingredients: a kettle, a cup and a spoon, water, a tea bag, milk optional, sugar optional. Step: first, fill the kettle, switch the kettle on. Second, place tea bag in the cup, wait for kettle to boil. Third, fill the cup with hot water, leave the brew. Fourth, remove tea bag, add milk optional. Fifth, add sugar, stir the cup. And sixth, taste.
Oke, ada lagi?
Tidak.
Oke, thank you student. Do you know our material today?
No.
We will study about procedure text and their element today. Do you know apa itu text procedure?
No.
Okay, text procedure is a text which gives instruction of how to do or how to make something. Procedure text has 3 elements. First, social function, to tell how to make something, track a sequence of action or step. 2, generic structure of procedure text. First, goal. Provide information about intent and purpose of the procedure and predict a conclusion. And 2, material. Contain a list of material needed to carry out of procedure or step. 3, finally, step. List the order of instruction or activities to reach the destination in the correct sequence of steps. And 3, language feature of procedure text. First, use temporal conjunction. For example, first, second, then, after that, before, after, while, and others. And 2, common or imperative form. For example, blend, stir, put, pour, and other. And seperti di video tadi, add, stir, fill. And 3, use present tense. And 4, use adverbial. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours to the mixture into cupcake cups. And finally, use the action verb. Seperti yang ada di video tadi, fill, add, stir, and others. Okay, student, do you question from this explain?
No. Thanks.
Do you already understand about
Yeah.
this explain?
Yes, I understand.
Please tell again about procedure text and their element. Siapa mau perwakilan untuk saya menjelaskan?
I miss. Procedure text has 3 elements. First, social function. How to make something, such as drink, food, and others. 2, generic structure. 1, goal. How to make something. 2, material and ingredients. 3, step. And 3, language feature. Temporal conjunction, first, second, and other. Imperative form, fill the kettle, and other. Adverbial, in the cup, and other. Action verb, add, fill, wait, stir, and other. Use present tense.
Oke, itu saja.
Yes.
Thank you, student. Applause for him. Do you already understand, student?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, I give exercise for you, and saya akan memberikan satu gambar untuk kamu jelaskan. Silakan catat bagaimana cara membuatnya, dan setelah itu mengerjakan lembar soal yang saya berikan kepada kalian semua. Oke.
Finish.
Apakah ada yang mau jadi perwakilan untuk saya berbicara bagaimana cara membuat iced tea?
I miss.
Oke, silakan berbicara.
How to make an iced tea. Material in or ingredients: a kettle, a cup and a spoon, water, a tea bag, milk optional, sugar optional, and ice cube. Step: fill the kettle, switch the kettle on, place tea bag in the cup, wait for kettle to boil. Fill the cup with hot water, leave to brew. Remove tea bag, add milk optional, add sugar, stir the cup, add ice cube to the cup, and serve and taste.
Oke, thank you student. Ada lagi?
Tidak ada.
Oke, applause for him. Oke, setelah itu silakan kerjakan lembar soal yang saya berikan kepada kalian. Saya akan memberikan waktu selama 15 menit untuk kalian kerjakan. Oke, finish?
Yes, finish.
I will submit your answer. Oke. Saya akan menilai hasil kerja kalian dan memberikannya kepada kalian untuk next material. Do you have question about this material?
Nothing.
Do you have understand? Do you already understand about this material?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, I will conclude material today. Procedure text to tell how to make something, bagaimana membuat sesuatu seperti makanan atau minuman dan lain-lain. Prosedur teks memiliki 3 bagian pendukung, 3 elemen pendukung, yaitu pertama social function. Social function yaitu berguna untuk membuat bagaimana membuat cara-cara membuat makanan atau minuman atau dan lain-lain. Yang kedua, material itu bahan-bahan yang dibutuhkan untuk membuat sesuatu seperti makanan dan minuman. Ketiga, step. Step itu baru langkah-langkah untuk membuat sesuatu tersebut. Dan terakhir, language feature dari prosedur teks. Language feature-nya yaitu menggunakan temporal conjunction seperti first, pertama, step kedua, terus then, after that, dan lain-lain. Kedua, common or imperative verb. For example, stir the cup, fill the kettle, and other. And use present tense. And for use adverbial. For example, untuk 5 menit, 2 jam, atau ke dalam cup, ke dalam cangkir. Dan terakhir, use action verb. Action verb kalimat seperti feel, add, stir, and others. Oke, student, apakah kalian mengerti dari penjelasan saya saat ini?
Ya.
Do you have question about this material, about procedure text?
No.
Oke. Terima kasih kepada semua siswa. I close our lesson today. Thank you for your participation. Good morning and see you next material.